Hi, my name is Lydia Abbott, CEO of Workflow Magic, and today I'm going to show you an amazing AI feature that will change the way you work within multilingual teams and clients. With AI-powered translations in Monday.com, you can instantly translate text inside your workflows. No manual work required. Let's see it in action. Step 1. I've set up a simple job application form to show how this works. Watch as I enter my name, email, and select the language I speak. In this case, Spanish. Now, I'll upload my resume and answer the question. Please explain your experience and why you should be considered for this role. Let's enter a response in Spanish and submit it. Step 2. AI instantly translate the response. Now, let's check out our board. Boom! AI just translated the response in seconds. How amazing is that? No need for Google Translate, no manual copy and paste, just instant AI-powered translation. Now let me show you how it works. Step 3, how it works. Let me show you how easy it is to set it up. First, we're going to go to the AI column setting. We'll select Translate, choose the field that we want to translate, then pick the language that we want to translate. And just like that, your workflow is multilingual and seamless. If your company works with international clients or teams, this AI-powered translation feature is a must-have to streamline communication and eliminate language barriers. Ready to take your workflow global? Try AI translation in Monday.com today. Let me know how you'd like to use this feature in the comments.